Hey guys, today in Kiwanna's kitchen we are going to make some delicious cheesy chicken tacos along with some fresh pico de gallo my way. So let's go. Alright guys, to make our delicious cheesy chicken tacos, I am using leg quarters, okay? Now I did clean all of the excess fat off of my leg quarters and we're going to use this. I don't have chicken breast, that's why I'm using this. I'm pretty much just using what I have on hand, so if you have chicken breast, use chicken breast, okay? So I did go in with some paprika, onion powder, garlic powder. I'm going to go in with some poultry seasoning along with some of my house seasoning and a pack of magic syrup. Now, I don't know if you guys have used that before or even have heard of it, but it is a really good seasoning compared to like chicken bouillon. It's really good in soups when you use your marinades. This right here. When you marinate your chicken or whatever, or your beef or whatever, you want to add a packet in there along with the marinade. It's going to enhance the flavor really, really good. Okay, it is really good. So if you haven't tried it, you definitely need to. So now I'm adding on my olive oil, and then we're going to give this a good mix and just let it sit for about 15 minutes, okay? And that's just to let the seasonings kind of mingle with the chicken and all of that and do what it needs to do to flavor the chicken, okay? So after it's sat, I got my skillet. We're going in with a little olive oil, and we are going to sear our chicken on each side for about 5 minutes. Now, guys, I've been MIA for about 5 months, okay? It was much needed. I had a lot going on. Life was lifing. My son graduated high school, which I'm so proud. 16 years old, graduated high school. I moved. I had a lot going on, okay? But we are good and we are back uploading, and I have a lot of recipes to share with you guys, okay? So, I don't know what happened to my clips in regards to the bell pepper and the other ingredients here that I added in my pot here, my skillet here. So, I'm going to post it on the screen for you guys to see what I added in there. So, after searing the chicken for about 5 minutes, I added in the can of crushed tomatoes, the chopped bell pepper, the chopped onion, the chopped jalapeno, along with the water. I filled the water into the can, and then I added all that in there, and I let it simmer for about 45 minutes. So here it is done. So what I'm going to do is take the chicken out, take that skin off, and then get 2 forks and shred off the chicken, okay? So that's what we're looking for here, the meat. Now, if you want to leave the skin on there, you can. Totally up to you, but I'm removing the skin. I just want the chicken off there because, again, I don't have chicken breast. So we working with what we got. So after getting all of the chicken off the bone, I did add the chicken back into the sauce mixture, and I let it simmer another 10 minutes, okay? So I got that back in there and let it simmer, and we started to put our tacos together. Now, I'm using corn tortillas. If you want to use flour tortillas, you can, okay? I've did flour tortillas before, many times before, but I'm just sharing with you guys with the corn because that's what I have on hand. Again, I don't have any flour tortillas, but again, guys, they are delicious with both. Either one will do. So, gonna put one of the put one of the tortillas into the sauce mixture, and then we're gonna put it into my skillet there. Now at this point right here, guys, I forgot to put the oil in the skillet, but these are non-stick skillets, so it's not gonna really stick. And it's kind of good too, because when you go in with that oil, guys, these things be all over that skillet, okay? They are like so hard to flip because they are like slipping and sliding and all of that, but eventually you'll get the hang of it once you do it long enough. So I got the cheese on there, got the meat mixture on there, and we are going to flip it over and just let it cook on each side. And you just want to check it, okay? I can't really say 2 minutes, 3 minutes, or whatever. It really just depends on the temper or the setting that you have your skillet on. Some people try to cook them quick, some people cook them slow. So I would just basically say check the side for the color that you're looking for, and that right there is perfect, okay? So I did all of them like this. Now, this right here is what I was talking about. I did get that oil into the skillet, and look at that, guys. They are pretty much, they just be sliding all over the place. But like I said, these are so good. They are delicious. So I'm going to show you guys another one, and I did make some fresh pico de gallo to go with our tacos, which is basically fresh Roma tomatoes, a chopped jalapeno, chopped sweet onion, cilantro, squeeze in some lime juice, get it in the fridge, let it sit for about an hour or so that it can get that nice chill on it. Serve it with your tacos, and you are good to go, okay? So, going on with that cheese, going on with the meat mixture, and then we're going to do the same thing. Just flip it over and let it cook on each side, okay? Now, if you guys want a time frame as far as how long you should let it cook, about 2 minutes or so. So here it is here. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, please give my video a thumbs up. And until next time, you guys take care. Later.